Namaste students. Today we'll start another chapter, chapter 5, that is patterns. Binny and Ginny were going to home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. The tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw. It means Binny and Ginny, when they are going, so they saw different types of styles. Then, on reaching home, they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. It also had nice design with different colors. So now tell me, childrens, have you seen any sari or gale? So there are also different types of colors are there, different designs are there. So these are nothing but are called the various patterns. In the evening, they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. So there also the grills were different types, different shapes. That is also will be called as a pattern. Looking at the grills, Binny said, these same grills make different pattern in our windows at home. Because she recognized and she remembered that Binny, she told that same type of grills were in our windows. So we see many such patterns around us on tiles, cloths, duraries. Okay, so now you tell me, so how many types of different patterns are there in your side nearby? You can see different types of colors, designs. So all these can become a different types of patterns. So now another type of pattern I am going to tell. Bholu has eaten a part of the soul of Binny's mother. Bholu means here, Bholu means one rat. Rat has eaten part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece is of the same pattern, because rat has eaten some part and it damaged, it removed from the main sari to another. So can you recognize? You just tell me. So now, so which part of this sari you can say? So now you tell me, because in this pattern you will find the rat has eaten some part, and which part can you recognize? This one. Okay, so now the Volu has eaten and you can match this. So Binny matched and you also tear some this type of patterns and you can also match these patterns. Now Madhav want to make a pattern. Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate using this. What is this one? This trident. Okay, so this way you can say as trident. Okay, so you see there are different shapes of tridents are there. The tridents are there, but these are different types. So some tridents it is upwards and some tridents it is downward. Now by using this type of tridents you can fill up in the blanks fill up the blanks boxes to complete the pattern. So fill up the blanks boxes to complete the pattern. So now, so can you tell me which one? So these patterns you can fill. So I am just marking it. You just see, and after some time you show me as an assignment. So in the another next page you will find there are some leafy patterns are there. Using one leaf we can make different patterns. See these 5 leafy patterns. You see there are different types of palm leaves are there. Betel nut leaves. So one leaf is upward, another is in downward. So next one is upward, then another one is downward. So in this way, this pattern, so you can see here in this picture, one up, one down, one up, one down. So here in the second row, one leaf is in upward, another one is right side. So then another one is upward, then another one is right side. Then another is upward, then what will be the next one? Yes, next one will be the right side. Then you see in the third row, one leaf is in down. So another leaf is in up. One down, one up. One down, one up. So in this way, fourth row you can see one leaf is towards left side, another one is right side. One is left side, right side, left side and right side. So now you see in the fifth pattern this is completely different. So one leaf is in down, but another second one is, it is completely mirror effect of that, means it is opposite. You see the opposite of that. Another one is also the upward, but the next one is again mirror image. You see again downward, both the leaves are downward, but second last one is the in the mirror image. So now you can also make some patterns with these arrow marks in your notebook. So can you make it? Yes. So I am going to see all these patterns, remember. So I am not going to leave. So look at the patterns and fill up the boxes. So first row, one dot is there. That is not a dot, that is in fact a circle, red circle. Then a square. Then another circle is there. Then square. Then what will come the next? So can you tell me here what will come? So in this pattern, yes, again another circle will come. But what will come here again? One square will come. So here again another circle will come. Then square will come. So in this way you can complete this assignment also, this pattern. And you have to complete it and show me. Then another one is upward arrow, then downward arrow, upward arrows are there, all 4 are upward arrows. So now from the next onwards, what will be the arrows? So all these 4 will be upward arrows, means upward arrow mark. Then in the next line, so 1 dot is there, 2 dots, 3 dots, then again 1 dot, again next 2 dots will be there, then 3 dots, then again 1 dot, 2 dot. So in such way you have to complete this assignment. So now you can say, so one red arrow and another blue arrow is there both. And again in the next picture, both the arrows downward, then upward 2 arrows, downward 2 arrows. So in the next, what will be there? So upward then downward. In this way you can complete it. Then next is triangle, 2 dots, triangle, 2 dots, then 2 dots, again triangle. So in such a way you can complete this assignment. So now you tell me, in the next picture one rectangle is there. So in rectangle it is divided into second one is 2 colors. Then third one is again one rectangle, then two colors, two equal triangles are there. So again you can complete this. Then another one is circle, half of the circle. So in this, now you can tell me what will be the next pattern. Yes, so you can complete this pattern also. Then now come to the number patterns. So in the number pattern, let us look at some patterns with numbers. Fill the numbers in the blank space of each pattern. You see, in this pattern, first one is 1, then 2 left, then 3 came, then 4 left, 5 there, then 6 is not there, then 7 is there, appeared, then 8 will not be appeared, then here at last, here 9 will be there. So that's why you have to write here 9. So in this pattern you have to write 9. Then next is, you see, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then here 80 will come. Then 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, here 39 will come. Then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, then in the blank spaces are there. So here you can fill 35, 40, then 45, 50, 55. So in this way you can complete this assignment. Okay, so now again another type of pattern we'll study. T2. Frog jumps over 2 numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. 1, 2, 3. From 3 he jumped into 4, 5, 6 place. So now can you identify? So means T2, the frog jumps after leaving 2 spaces, it coming to the third one. So here 7, 8 he will leave and it will come to 9. Then 10, 11 he will leave, then it will come to 12. So in such way you can complete this work also. Then next another pattern, same thing. T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the number on the stones. So first is, here one number is given 28. So 28 means plus 10 it became 28. Then what will be the previous number? Then 28 minus 10 equal to 18. T2 actually started from 18 plus 10, it became 28. So then next plus 10, it become 38. Then after 38, it will become 48. In such way you can complete this work. Then next come to the another pattern. So in this pattern, you see AA, BB, CC, then what will be the next one? Here DD, EE, FF, GG, HH. In such a way you can complete. Then AB, CD, EF, GH, IJ, KL, MN, OP. In such a way you can complete. Then day, night, day, night, day, night, day, night, like that you can complete. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, then again 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now, so you see this page and you can write your own. So I know that you can write. You all are good students. Okay. The next Ketu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. You see here some leaves are there. Different types of leaves are there. So now in this pattern, now you can also collect some leaves and arrange them in different patterns. Also draw patterns using matchsticks. So now in this spaces provided, so here after drawing some patterns you can show me. So in this space it is provided, so you can draw here in this space and you can show me. Okay, so all the students, you all are good students. So now, so we will conclude this chapter, but remember you have to complete this work in the book itself and you have to show to me. You send this photograph of this book pages and send to me. And assignments also, some of the assignments and worksheet I am going to send in your assignment and in Google Classroom. So now students, you all are very good, enjoyed it a lot, I think, this mathematics. So I hope so you will conclude and complete this task. Thank you very much. Have a good day.